See, I know this concha. 6 feet tall by 6 feet wide. Cobalt blue flowers in the spring. Full sun, fast growing. Requires minimal water. This is a great plant when you want something tall and gorgeous. So the flowers, in terms of color, are somewhat similar to my pants-ish, thereabouts. This is also a nice plant if you want to use it as a screen or as a backdrop and put smaller, colorful plants in front of it. You could put this in the back, and if it flowers in the spring, have something else that flowers, say, in the winter in front of it, and then you've got kind of the juxtaposition of the blue and maybe like a yellow or a purple or a red or even a nice coral. You could probably put an autumn sage in front of this. Iris Canyon Snow. 2 feet tall, 2 feet wide, clumping, mostly shade. White flowers in the spring. Minimal water. So this particular variety is a white flower. There's this variety that's about a foot shorter, that's purplish flower, although the flower is not in bloom currently. Tend to bloom in the spring. These ones will have a mauvish, burgundy-ish flower. Again, all of them are about 2 by 2, give or take. Arctostaphylos densiflora Howard McMinn manzanita, or McMinn manzanita. This is another gorgeous plant, 6 feet tall by 6 feet wide. White flowers in the winter, requires little water. Full sun to partial shade, so it will take some shade. What I love about manzanitas in general is the red bark, which this has. It's also got beautiful green leaves, white bell-shaped flowers in the winter. Now, this particular manzanita, like any other manzanita, is slow growing, so it does require patience. But if you've got the patience in the room and you want to watch something beautiful, I would highly recommend this.